are three of these mighty rivers. These powerful rivers flow towards the north. They eventually empty into the cold waters of the Arctic Ocean. These rivers are like natural highways in Siberia. They help people and industries access resources like timber and minerals. However, they freeze solid in winter for many months, which stops most boat traffic. Russia's geography plays a very big role in deciding where factories and industries are built. Areas that are rich in minerals often became industrial places. The Ural Mountains are a prime example of such an area. They contain large deposits of coal and iron ore. They also have other important metals like copper and nickel, so many factories were built there long ago. These factories make tools, machines, and other metal products. This region is often called Russia's industrial heartland. Having access to energy sources is also very important for any industry. Siberia has truly huge amounts of oil and natural gas. These valuable resources are found deep under the ground. This oil and gas provide the power for factories all over Russia. They also heat homes and generate electricity for cities. A complex network of big pipes, called pipelines, carries these fuels. These pipelines often travel for thousands of kilometers to reach consumers. Rivers and lakes are also extremely important for industrial development. Factories often need a lot of water for their processes. Rivers provide this essential water. Furthermore, rivers are used like roads for transport. Boats and barges carry raw materials such as timber or ore to the factories. Then, they often carry the finished products away to markets or ports. The Volga River, for instance, supports many industries along its banks, connecting different parts of the country's industrial network. However, Russia's unique geography also creates significant problems for its industry. The weather is extremely cold in many parts of the country. This is especially true for the vast region of Siberia. Building new factories there is a hard and challenging task. It is also very expensive to operate them in such conditions. The extreme cold can damage machines and equipment. The ground is frozen solid all year round in some northern places. This permanently frozen ground is called permafrost, and building on it requires special, costly methods. Russia is a huge country with a very long coastline, but many of its coasts are on cold, icy seas in the Arctic. So, warm water ports are extremely valuable for Russia. These are ports where the sea does not freeze during the winter months. The Black Sea ports located in the southwest are therefore extremely important. Novorossiysk is a major port city on the Black Sea. Many ships carry Russian oil and grain from there to other countries. The Baltic Sea in the northwest is another important sea for Russian trade. The historic city of St. Petersburg is located on the Baltic Sea. It has a large and busy port. St. Petersburg was once Russia's capital city for 2 centuries. This port connects Russia to countries in northern Europe,